What's up guys, it's Audrey and today welcome back to a random video and I'm doing another slime video, so I think we should get started. Okay. Okay, and we'll be right back to get more ingredients. Okay, we got a spoon. I'll be right back when it's done. Let's add some color. Whoa, it's a pretty purple. Whoa, can you see that, guys? It's a pretty purple. I'll show you at the end, okay? Yeah. We have our baking soda. Okay, so guys, we have the baking soda. Let's add it. I'll be right back. It's hard. Okay, so I just added it. So I'm stirring. It's turning that a beautiful purple. I mixed it two colors, but the blue literally came out purple. Okay, so now we stirred a lot. I think we can add a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. How I just put my bag. Okay, so here we got some Biotrue. Let's mix it. Whoa, it's turning into slime. Let's move this out of the way. Whoa, guys, this is making slime. Should I put my hand in yet? I don't know. Whoa. I think it's done. Wow. My finger. Wow. I think I'm gonna start touching it. One finger. Let's show you guys. Look, guys. See? Stand up. Yeah, this is forming. Oh my god, we need a little bit more of Biotrue, a little bit. Ooh, it worked! Wow. Okay, that's the end of this video, guys. I just hope you like the slime. It's really purple, and so yeah. Write in the comments if you think you like it, and subscribe. Bye!